Hi, Darron Stewart with Stewart Stewart Attorneys. Welcome. This is Nick Wagner as usual. And we love to talk about some of the calls that we get with questions, legal questions, and enjoy that. Here recently we've had several calls from folks that say, hey, I've had my case looked at by another attorney. That attorney, that law firm, didn't feel like I had a case. Or Stewart & Stewart, are you still willing to look at this? And of course we did. And a couple of those examples, a couple of cases, share with us what you found out in those cases.
Well, one immediately comes to mind. A guy and his wife came to us and they said, I took my case to this one of the big box injury firms that's all over the place. And this big box injury firm said that I didn't have a case, and would you guys be willing to look at it? And that's what they had asked, and we get that question a lot, and the answer is yes.
What kind of case was it?
So it was a slip and fall case.
Okay.
At a department store.
Okay.
And this gentleman had significant injuries, and his wife saw him go through a lot, so they both had claims. We did a little bit more digging on it, found out that there is a case, really held the insurance company's feet to the fire on it, and at the end of the day, we got him a $150,000 recovery. Which is a lot better than saying you don't have a case from the big box firm.
It's a fantastic result. And spoiler alert, I know you have another one where there was a fire case, so share that with us.
There was a fire case down on the south side involving injury, and sort of the same situation. The folks called us up and they were really up against the gun because in Indiana you have 2 years to basically settle or sue, so to speak, and we were right up against the wall on that.
Had another firm looked at their case?
They did, and they said, I'm sorry, we've looked into it. There's nothing we can do for you. End up getting them a recovery for $750,000. And that was obviously a big deal for the family and for everybody involved.
Well, you'd be surprised what things are missed by other firms, and sometimes maybe they don't practice a lot in this area for whatever reason. But if you feel like you have a case and someone else has looked at it and suggested that you don't have a case, or in their opinion, or it's a case that they're not wanting to pursue, please give it to us. Let us talk about it with you and see if there's something we could do to help you. Call in here and talk to Nick. He's making magic with these. So
be happy to.
Give us a call, Stewart & Stewart.